Hi everyone, and welcome to Learning English Through Sustainability and Global Issues. My name is Chaz Burton, and I'm super excited that you're here for a couple of different reasons. First, I've been teaching English for almost 25 years, and I love to see people gain greater English language proficiency and to experience the benefits of doing so in their lives. Secondly, I have a deep sense of urgency about the state of the world, the enormous environmental and global issues that threaten our home, the earth, and all of its creatures, including us, humanity. Now is not the time to go into the problems in depth, but I'm sure you're aware of some of these problems and the need for all of us in the world to come together to solve them. There are many sources of learning about these problems, such as my blog, Terra Promise, which I'll cover later, and that's important. But for now, let's start with some of the solutions. This course will allow you to participate in a rich mixture of listening, reading, speaking, and writing to enhance and expand your English fluency and literacy, and to learn about sustainability issues and solutions. The course will include instruction, practice, using many online tools, and will result in specific products that can be used for digital portfolios if you so wish. The objectives of the course are to increase your English language proficiency, to help you learn about sustainability and global issues, and to empower you to help create solutions to sustainability issues in your area. Topics for the course include envisioning a sustainable future, the natural world, environmental issues, consumption, overpopulation, and sustainable solutions. So with that introduction, let's go ahead and jump right into the content of the course. Before we proceed, an important tip, and that is that you can pause the video anytime you want. I'll be asking you during certain exercises to pause the video to write or to think or to read, to do the exercises. But remember, you can do that at any time to take the time you need to get the most out of the course.